Hoping for the best, but however it turns out is totally fine because we have plans either way.
To be here in support, hoping that the judge will rule to allow our case to go forward. CRMC and Orsted are trying to get it dismissed on technicalities. We hope that the judge will see clear that this is an important case and should be argued on its merits. And we believe that if we are allowed to argue this case on its merits, that we may make a big difference, and that's what we hope to do.
We're here today on a motion to dismiss. We have a good case. This project is a travesty. The decision by the CRMC will result in significant, devastating impacts on the coastal resources of Rhode Island, and we think the court will make the right decision and reverse it.
Good morning. My name is Mike Armenia. I'm a resident of Newport since 1971 when I joined the Navy here, and I'm a retired engineer, having worked on energy projects all my life, both for the Navy and for private industry. And I've examined wind turbines, solar farms over my career, and am of the engineering professional opinion now that these forms of energy conversion are really not going to be very effective in doing anything except keeping our existing fossil fuel fired plants in existence because of the intermittency of wind and solar. The need to have backup, completely spinning baseload energy is absolutely paramount. So I have also been coming up with ways of having more perfectly clean energy instead of wind and solar. And by perfectly clean, I mean nuclear. I'm a nuclear engineer. And this country has not done enough yet to get licensing of new types of reactors, small ones, that could simply be retrofitted into existing brownfield coal plants and provide unlimited energy with no emissions. So that's what I've been working on with a bunch of other engineers here in Rhode Island and around the country.
Today to have our voices heard above and beyond the prescribed process. We have gotten nowhere and had no satisfaction relevant to our long list of concerns relative to offshore wind. So here we are. We're going to end up in court, and hopefully the ground is level under this courthouse. Lord knows it is not in the halls of Congress. A lot of good people from all over the state are here to voice their opposition to the governor's pet project. If he was looking to establish a legacy, he should rest assured that he has done it. We have transitioned from the ocean state to the ruin the ocean state under his tutelage.
To give support to the Green Ocean's efforts to stop this ridiculous wind turbine project off the coast, which has people been lied to.
The hearing on Tuesday went as well as I guess it could have gone. We're pleased that we didn't have it dismissed, and we think the part of the reason why it wasn't dismissed was that our lawyer gave just an incredible presentation. And I think, and the judge basically admitted that at the end and said, due to the complexity of the case and all of the evidence that was presented, especially by our lawyer, that he needed more time to dig into the case. So it wouldn't be appropriate to call it a victory, but it gives us more time, and I'm sure it's not the result that Revolution Wind and CRMC had hoped for. So we're pleased with how it went. Just a brief background on what the case is about. It's basically Green Oceans, our organization, is contesting the fact that CRMC granted consistency for Revolution Wind's offshore wind farm, even after they found major adverse impacts to numerous environmental issues as well as economic issues. When they did their review, They found all these things and then still voted to grant consistency and let the project move ahead. So we don't believe that was correct or fair, and that's why we're making this complaint.